Si Solas na lang, sir, ang kulong.
Si Joao. Si Kwan wala pa. Ang atong resource speaker.
Sir.
You are now the host.
Okay. Okay, so everyone is in. We'll wait for Sir Jed na lang po. Hi, sir. Complete na po yung third group.
Naka-disable ang share.
Okay. Eto na po. Sorry. Okay na po.
Okay. Ang mauuna ay si... Teka. Saan na ba yun? Handuraw?
Handuraw, sir.
Handuraw. Teka, bubuksan ko muna. Okay. Share screen. Yan. Ayan. Ang una ko napansin kaagad ay yung yan na naman ang internet ko, nag-unstable. Okay na, hindi ako naglalag.
Okay na, sir.
Okay. Yung company configuration mo lang, I know na this is ano ba to, romance. Danza. It's a danza. Yan. The accompaniment figuration are the same. Tan, tilam, pam, pam. Tilam, pam, pam. Tilam, puro ganyan. Nagba-variation lang ng konti dun sa isang segment na yun dito. Pam, tintan, tagadagadagadam. Tintan, tigadagadagadam. Ganyan lang. Pero babalik ulit sa pam, tilam, pam, pam, tilam. Ganyan. So, maybe for both segments, kasi you have two sections here, sana may distinction lang ng konti.
Noted, sir.
May distinction lang sana para magkaiba. I'm trying to find that segment na may surprise chord, may surprise progression ka na ginawa. Where was that?
Measure 57 perhaps, sir.
Yeah.
58.
Hindi ito eh. Yan! Yan. Sana may something din na ganyan dito early on. Kasi parang nangyayari is the progressions are stayed within the safe zone of the danza. So sana pwede mo namang baliin na uh, ay, nasa ba yun? Ya da 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 ya da 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 Well, maybe siguro i-break mo dito. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, ya, da, 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 da. Da, 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 ya. Da, da, something ganon. Da, 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 ya, da.
Yun.
Na-break ba?
Thank you, sir.
Something ganon. Para lang ma-break lang.
Yes, sir.
Kasi it all
Beautiful, sir.
umiikot lang siya sa ta di da 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 ta di da 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 ta di da 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 di da da ya di da 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 da. Okay. Ano bang magandang Well, the perfect example for this would be the Bituing Marikit ni
Oh,
Abela.
sir.
Okay? The danza. Da 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 ya da 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 ya da 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 da. Yon. Tapos in the hands of Ryan Cayabyab, binali pa niya. Yun. Ano naman din, nilagay ko naman ata dun sa module guide na prepare ko. So pag-aralan mo. So yung beginning part siguro ka muna mag-ano. Da, 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 da. Dumiretso ka na sa ganyan. Pwede simple mo lang muna. Da, 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 da. Di, da, 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 da. Para may levels lang din yung yung accompaniment mo.
Yes, sir.
The two sections will be clear. Will be distinct. Okay? So you just have to decide lang kung saan mo gagamitin yung nilagay mo na dito and which one you would need to change. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Tapos napansin ko ayan, may break naman na nag-aa yung boses, yun na nga, sana you can have something na yung katulad ng surprise progression na ginawa mo dun sa gitna, mailagay mo rin yan dito. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Para lang para magkaroon lang ng ibang ng ibang color.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tapos well, siguro dahil XML ito kaya ganyan ang itsura, pero be sure that you clean up the writing, ha. Yung pagkasulat lang like ito, syempre kasi nga ganyan, no. Siguro
Yes, sir.
siguro dahil sa dahil XML nga ang format nito. So I'm
Hindi sir, naloka talaga ako sa part na yan, sir.
bilang lang yan, bilang. Change your time signature. If you need it, kunwari hindi na siya hindi na siya tutu, kunwari maging 11:16. Kunwari lang.
Yes, sir.
11:16. Lagay natin na 11:16. Ay, saan siya nil? Saan ba? Kunwari lang na nung binilang-bilang mo, ang total number of counts ay 11, tapos ang lower number ay 16 based on 16th notes, pwede ganyan. Tapos, ang gawin mo na lang, hide. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Para lang maintindihan na, kadensa lang ito.
Mm-mm.
Okay? Ganyan lang yan. Okay, Docs?
Yes,
Yan.
sir. Noted, sir.
Ano pa nilagay ko? Yung transitions. Kailangan maglagay ka pa ng transition. Hanggat maaari, wag mong idikit ka agad like yung or maybe you can stretch it
Yun. Noted, sir.
di, 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 di. Nag-change lang. Para lang din ma-break yung tahan, tidam, pam, pam, tilam, pam, pam. Ma-break lang yung ganung yung ganung klaseng figuration without destroying the design of the danza.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Ano bang sino ba ang perform nito? Soprano or tenor?
Actually, I was thinking na pwede siya i-perform ng tenor or soprano.
Okay. So, yan, ilagay mo na lang dito na high voice. Okay?
Yes, sir.
High voice. High voice. Yung ending mo lang, gusto mo talagang ganyan lang yung ending mo? Na mabagal?
Mm.
Or were you envisioning it na sana mabilis yan?
Actually, sorry, sir.
Yan.
Accelerando na lumiliit. Accelerando tapos nagdidiminuendo siya.
Yan. Ay, ilagay mo yan. Sige.
Ay, hindi nalagay. Hindi siya nag-appear, sir. Pero I think sa piece merong ano.
I think naglagay pa ako ng trill doon sa last part, dun sa high re.
Ay, hindi lumabas dito. Kaya,
Oo nga pa.
sabi
Tapos
ko,
naka-accelerando siya from measure 90, tapos may malandi siyang trill doon sa measure 93. Yan. Yops.
yan. Siguro ito ilagay mo
Yes,
na
sir.
lang na to sa taas. Something either that or ganyan. Ito.
Yes, sir.
Gawin yan sa taas. Maybe in root or in second inversion.
Yes, sir.
Parang hindi lang yung usual na dance sa ending na yung puro root position. Okay. Pansin ko rin na puro root position din. Yung yung punta mo sa next na portion. Pwede naman mag second inversion. Yan.
Yes, sir.
Yan ng dansa eh. Okay. May part lang ako na parang ano ba to? Tama ba yung eto? Sol at fa ba talaga yan? O sol at sol?
Sol and
Or fa
sol
and
and
fa?
fa.
Kasi
That's right.
that's fine with me. Kaso nung umulit siya sa kabila, hindi na siya
Okay.
hindi na siya naging ganun. Okay?
Oh. Baka may
Yan.
error, sir.
Yan, baka may nakaligtaan ka lang. Ay, ito, nawala, oh.
Yes. On measure 35. Oo nga po.
Yan, so bantayan mo. Kasi binabantayan ko yan na parang, bakit nag-iba dyan? Bakit? Okay? Tapos napansin ko, ang figurations mo are all down going up or up going down but on the high register. Baka maybe somewhere you can have a passage na yung kaliwa naman ng or something ganun. Okay? Para maiba
Yes, sir.
din. Okay? Para hindi lang siya mga ganun. Or okay?
Yes, sir.
Yan. May question ka pa.
Wala actually, sir. Nag-enjoy ako na nakikinig.
Ayan. Okay. So yun. Sana yung surprise passage nung sa gitna, mailabas mo rin dito somewhere. Okay? Para lang
Sige
mag-break. Para lang mag-break lang siya. Kasi alam naman natin ang dansa can have a tendency na nandito lang talaga sa yan lang ang chord progression niya, ang usual chord progression. Eh hindi naman it doesn't say lang naman na na hindi ka pwedeng mag-explore.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tapos yung figurations mo, bagayan mo din with the text kung ano ang closest possible na pwede ma-utilize mo. Para lang hindi lang lahat pam, choriam, pam, choriam, or pam, tan, tiga, dan. Ganun. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So kung wala ka ng questions, then I'll go to the next.
Thank you po. Salamat po.
Okay. And ang next natin ay ang mga ano ba to? Tinuga?
Yes, ang tinuga. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Tama ang pagkatabi ko. Yay! Naku! Ito yung daming nota.
Sir, yung pangalan nyo ba ay French?
Ha?
No.
Hindi yan Jonad.
Sounds like French, but not really French.
Okay. Nice name.
Thank you.
Okay, wait. Share screen. Okay. Yeah. Okay, initial comments ko, walang dynamics. Ba't walang dynamics? Nakalimutan mong lagyan, no?
Yeah, I was rushing, I guess.
Wala. None. There's none. Okay?
Okay.
I need to see the dynamics. I need to see dynamics para makita namin kung ano ba talaga ang nangyayari dito. Okay? Next. Adding accents do not seem to make sense. Ito yung issue ko on some of your melodic extension. Like this one. What is your purpose in having this melodic extension?
It's like actually.
Ganun siya.
I was thinking of like a happy sound, like a laughter something, but I don't know. Parang ganun. Parang, or maybe I was thinking,
Yun lang, it's the accent lang that drives that makes it off.
okay.
Okay? So either you remove that accent or you change the passage into something that's much more that's much closer to what you're thinking. Okay?
Yep.
Yan. Kasi yun lang eh. Kasi ito lang nagiging strange because of that accent eh. Bakit ganyan yan?
Question, is that a cadenza type niya, area?
Hindi.
Okay, so,
Hindi siya cadenza type eh.
hindi kasi yung parang operatic eh. Alam mo yung middle section ng Chopin, second movement.
Hindi siya cadenza type eh. Okay, next. Transition needed between sections. Okay. Like this one. I think this is another section. Okay? Ang ginawa mo lang link is just the tremolo. Okay? So sana we could hear something either above it or below para lang pag pumasok ito, okay, it's another one. Okay? Kasi dito nag-e-echo yung piano eh. Pam 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 pam. Yan. Okay. May part lang na parang magka-clash. Eto, dito nagka-clash. Okay? You might need to tweak it a bit. Kasi nagbabangga talaga siya. Ayan, ito. Nag-resolve ka na dito. Hindi pa nagre-resolve ito.
Okay.
Okay? Okay? Although okay naman itong transition na to, pero it's just this passage lang na parang, ano nangyari dyan? Ba't biglang Okay. Ito, wait, ano bang ilagay ko? Accompaniment needs to have certain levels, otherwise, it won't fly because it competes with the range of the melody. Yan. Okay? So paulit-ulit lang itong pattern na to. What's the objective for having this figuration over and over and over again? Yan. And then pagdating dito, wala na, nasa loob na yung melody mo. Actually, nasa loob yung melody mo. Nasa loob ang melody mo with the accompaniment. So, ang tendency is ito ang maririnig because this is the higher register. Okay? At mapapansin talaga siya because may part na hihinto. Anon. Siguro if this were moving without taking too much attention, baka lumabas ito. Lalabas yan. Okay? Yan. And then yung registration mo rin, look at your left hand. They're all in the same register. Diba? Wala akong nakikitang mababa. Wala akong nakikitang mataas. Ganon. So, registration lang. Ito, dolce legato ka dito, pero dito, well, hindi ko alam kung anong gusto mo mangyari dyan sa figuration na yan. But because of these accents, this might be covered. Okay? So, yun lang. Ang tendency lang is tatakaw ito, kukuha ito, aagaw eksena ito. Octave ka pa, nag-o-octave ka pa, so ginig talaga yan. Okay? So maybe what you can do is instead of having that octave, maybe something like this. Ay, hindi malabas yung keypad. Something like this. Para lang at least may malaki ang space in between. So, baka lumabas pa to. Okay? Whereas kung magkadikit yan, kung if it's within the octave, ay wala. Ito ang maririnig, yung sol. Hindi maririnig yung mi. Okay? Tapos ito pa, ang chordal, napaka-chordal ng left hand mo. Paulit-ulit pa siya. What is the objective of having that figuration over and over again and in the same position? Lumipat siya sa A minor pero root position pa rin. Okay? You understand? Puro root position. D. Yung D minor, root position. Yung G, root position. Bigla nag first inversion. Bigla nag first inversion. Your feeling ko that should have been a do instead of a me.
Back root.
Okay? Tsaka ito din yung yung figuration na to. How long siya nangyayari? Ang haba Why?
Well, I was thinking of yung repeated lang talaga na patterns in contrast with that very legato melodic line, vocal line. Parang I was trying to create yung noise na gawa ng creatures or something. I have that thought in my mind while I was...
Yeah. I mean, pwede naman na ganyan din. Pero sana there's a little variation na nagaganap. Whether in terms of register, in terms of position, or a counterpoint. Diba? Kaysa na po ganyan lang siya na ang haba-haba Ang haba! Ang haba Ang haba Oh my gosh! Until the end. Until the end. Parang may nangyayari na that would lead towards the ending. Okay? At saka napansin ko, lahat in C major. Lahat in C major. Ito lang, wow, may E-flat akong nakita. Nag-C minor saglit. Pero pagdating dito, C major lahat. Diba? Pwede ka naman pumunta somewhere. Dayawan ka. Ayan. You
Sir
have
Jed,
to
medyo choppy.
review the syllabication of these words. Okay. You have to review the syllabication of this line. Okay? Kasi ang nakasulat dyan, 1. Sa tanan nga tinoga. Okay? Parang may mali. Okay? 1. Sa tanan nga tinoga. Tama, di ba?
Tinuga, I guess. Tinuga.
Tinuga. The accent is in no.
Tinuga.
Sa tanan nga tinuga. Tama ba? Am I correct?
I'm not sure. Tinuga na or tinoga? Tinoga,
It
no?
should be, I think it should be you. Tinuga, tinuga, tinuga.
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 So accent on the second
Although
syllable?
ang nasa title,
Yeah.
Yun, at sa title is tinuga. Pero dito it's tinoga. So ano ba talaga?
Question, meron bang trans
Yun.
na elemento, Junard?
Not really. I was not thinking about that.
Oh, okay. Kasi baka yung mga repeated, medyo transic yung dating. Okay.
Yun lang. Make sure that the syllabication is correct. Okay? Para lang hindi lang para tama siya. 'Di ba? Okay? Yan lang naman. So, just basically yung yung choice lang of your accompaniment. Different level sana. It's not the same. So, ayan oh. Okay na sana yung beginning mo na. Okay, let's see where this goes. Okay na sana siya dyan eh. Kaso pagpasok na dyan sa letter A, ayan na, hindi ka na nakaalis. Dito ka lang talaga nag-stay. Hindi ka na hindi ka na lumayo. You understand? Mas malayo pa yung yung beginning mo. Di ba?
Yep.
Okay. Wala ka ng questions for this one?
Wala po. Thank you.
Okay. Let's go to the other one. I think ikaw din ata ang sumulat.
Yeah.
It's
Just
the
yung mabagal. Yeah.
manunulat. Manunulat sang ambahanon.
Ang bahanon, yeah.
Yeah. You just have to remind myself na this is Ilonggo. Okay. Ano ang dynamics are not clear, piano part dynamics not present. Ayun. Wala ka na namang dynamics sa piano. Blanco, oh. Wink. Wink. Blanco. So sabi ko, ano gusto niya mangyari dito? I could not exactly tell. Okay? What is the song all
It's about
about?
the composer. From the perspective of another person. It's like telling about how he is as a person. Like
Mhm. Ayun. So yun lang, I just wish lang sana na may nakalagay dito na dynamic markings para mas makita ko sana on what the intention is. Okay?
Yeah.
Na 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 yan. And look at okay yung beginning. Okay yung beginning. Pero pag nandito na siya, pag nandyan na yung ibang part ng accompaniment, hindi na siya nakaalis. Hindi na siya nakaalis. Parang parang sinasabihan ka ng si Besh na touch move. You cannot go out. Hindi ka talaga nakaalis. Oh. Pero wala, hindi talaga siya nakaalis. Yun. So, bantayan mo yan, ha? Bantayan mo yan. Kasi ang ganda-ganda ng beginning mo, oh. Bumaba lang saglit, tapos umakyat. Umakyat. Pababa ng pababa. Pagdating na dito, wala na.
nahulog na.
Ayan na, nandyan na siya. Touch move.
You know, nakakaano ko minsan, you can take clue or cue from the words. Kung ano yung meaning ng words, kung minsan mag-describe mo siya and different figures. Para
Yeah.
ma-identify.
Yeah. Kung ano yung sinasabi ng words, tignan mo kaagad na, okay, kung ilalagay ko yan sa accompaniment, saang register ba siya? Sa taas, sa gitna, sa baba? Ang figuration ba will be fast, slow, syncopated, ganun. Diba?
Yep.
Ang daming pwedeng gawin eh. Tapos ito, I wish na itong passage na to, instead of having this drum, yum, kasi you listen parang, okay, I would just wish na prepare mo na lang you could have prepared this. Something like this. Uh, At least with that with that little, even though that the preparation is uh, uh, not much, but at least yung next figuration is prepared. Yeah. Di ba? Oh, at least na-prepared na siya dito. Yada, dida, 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 da, da, da. And then, ayan na naman. Bigla ka na naman dito nagpunta. So, tan, tan, tan. Ta, ta, ta. Tan, tan, tan. Yada. At least na-prepare din yan. Nga. You hear that? At least na-prepare ito. This prepared going to that. Since you already had a passage na similar sa ganito, maybe you can
Bring down.
Yan. Kasi yung original na positioning mo, na it's a hollowed sound kasi open fifth. Nilagyan mo pa ng fifth dito, wala. Magtutunog weak yung middle register mo. O at least na may there's something that's breaking it. Diba? At hindi lang siya tita 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 parang string passage.
St. Elmo's Fire.
St. Elmo's Fire. Alam kaya nila yan?
Revealing ba masyado?
Okay. Oh, ito warmly. Gusto mo na lumabas yan? Don't do this accompaniment type. Okay? Okay? Siguro a half note lang siguro in the high register. Ganyan lang yan. Para lumitaw yan while the right hand is mataas to. Ayan. Yung mga ganitong stall yung ear. Okay? Nagsusstall yung ganitong accompaniment na bigla nag-stop ka lang dyan. Might as well
Sir Jed Choppy,
okay, alin ng hindi na-get?
Like, in that section, when you started po, medyo choppy.
Okay. In this portion, dahil pareho whole note lahat, nag-stall.
Mhm.
Okay? Nag-stall. There's nothing also in the voice part. Might as well put something to keep it to keep it from stalling.
Mhm.
Okay? And then since passionately mezzo piano, tapos ang kapal-kapal ng chord positioning mo dito, you really have to change this.
Mhm.
Oh. Continue mo na lang na yan. Quasi I Dreamed a Dream. Then nag-change na siya dito. Okay? You understand?
Yep, yep.
Okay? It has to be the accompaniment has to be a balance of textures, should contain also a balance of textures. May makapal, may manipis, may mataas, may mababa. Okay? Then know when you can stop na hindi nagsustall, and know when you have to continue para hindi masira yung momentum. Okay? Kasi ang hirap diyan pag naputol na yung momentum, it becomes challenging na for the pianist to get it back. Lalo na if you have changes pa. Well, okay naman ang melody mo. Nasa E flat ka pero nag-end ka ng F minor. Okay? Yan talaga ang gusto mo. Okay? Question.
Okay, sound, thank you po.
Sigurado
I will work
ka?
on it.
Wala kang gusto i-clarify? Wala kang gusto ipaklarify?
I would try to work on those, sections.
Yan. Okay? Basta make sure lang also that all your markings are there, all your articulations are there, the phrasing that you prefer, as much as possible, nandyan. Kasi mahirap din na kung halimbawa, yun na nga, in this case, wala kang nilagay na dynamic sa piano accompaniment mo. Hindi namin malalaman na kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari dito unless the pianist understands also the text. Ganon. Kaso hindi naman lahat marunong maghiligay nun. Di ba? So yun. So ang magiging guide lang talaga nila is just the dynamics and the phrasing. So you have to put it there.
Pero
Okay,
of
docs?
course, pero of course, Sir Jed, the rule is the pianist should find a way to understand the text.
Yeah. Pero there will be instances na
Pamadali yan.
biglaan na, oo, na parang, okay, there's no more time. Okay. Yun.
Ideally.
Okay, docs?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Gerard.
Now,
Thank you, sir.
sino yung last? Last na ba tayo? Yun! Di na ta magbulagay. Bulagay o bulagay?
Bulagay.
Di na ta magbulagay. Ganon? Sana all. Siyempre naka-relate bigla.
Medyo out, ah.
Good evening po. Good evening po.
Hello, Joao.
Good evening, sir.
Hi. Wait lang. Share screen. Okay. Wala, nangurus.
Ay, sir.
Ba't ka nangurus? Nga naman ka nangurus? Okay. Ayan. Iba ang itsura, oh. May lusot lang yan. Just type. Just click lang sa tempo. And then continue.
Okay.
Ayan. Kaya ang
Yeah.
itsura. Okay. Wait. Initial feedback. Ano ba yung initial feedback ko? Okay. This is the one that has the clashes. Okay, where is the clashes? Clashes. I saw it. Dapat pala nilagay ko yung bar number. Where is the clash? Ala, hindi ko nakita yung clash.
Sir, baka po sa G minor 7 siya or or sa different po na part.
Hindi, may nilagay ako B flat and B.
Okay.
Nasaan kaya yung B?
Okay. I think sir sa near malapit na po. Yung passing tone lang po yun sir papunta sa C. Siguro yun
Hindi, nakita ko yung yung as in talagang nagbangga
okay
talaga.
Okay po.
I will see it. I shall see that. Yan!
Opo.
At ito pa, me.
Opo.
Yun.
Opo.
Yan, that's the one.
Opo.
Be careful lang. Kasi mga actually meron din doon sa mga previous sa previous batches na may nagka-clash. Nag-E7 na pero may D sharp pa rin sa melody. Sabi ko, "Hi! Ano ba talaga? E7 ba or what?"
I think that one also sir nakita ko din yung same passage. Opo.
Yan. Anyway,
62,
so
bar 62.
bar 62.
Same din siya siguro sir kasi parang repetition lang po yan. Apo, yan po yung ibig niya pang sabihin.
Okay, okay. Walang dynamic marks.
Apo, dynamic marks.
Nadayahit marks in all. Ay,
Apa.
lagyan ng marking.
Apa.
Okay.
Noted.
Another ano din, melody doubling on the piano. Bakit dinodouble mo?
Okay pa. Melody.
What's the reason for the doubling?
Yung purpose ko kasi sana po niyan, sir, honestly, sir, yung ako po na person, nahihirapan po ako, especially magtugtog ako ng piano at saka nagsising ako ng different part. Nahihirapan po akong mag-maintain to sing in the correct tune bala. That's why kung ano yung tinutugtog ko dito sa aking isang is yan po yung nag-guide sa akin. So siguro po nadala ko siya dyan sa aking pong accompaniment para hindi po pala ako mawala sa melodic ang line ko po.
Sir Jed?
Okay.
Sir Jed?
Yes.
Pero baka mag-share kasi
Yes.
baka makalimutan ko. Meron akong, yung teacher ko, leader pianist yun. As in, yun yung trabaho niya. He plays for song recitals. And one time, nagle-lesson kami and he said that yung sa opening ng yung Lindenbaum ni Schubert, sabi niya, the reason why dinodouble ni Schubert yung melody ay dahil parang folk song yung gusto niyang effect. So there is a reason nga na kung bakit tayo magdo-double ng melody. So I just thought I'd share that.
Okay. Kasi kasi in some of our folk songs, in our concert arrangements of folk songs, hindi ganun ang treatment, pero that's another story. Pero yun na nga, pag folk songs natin, nagdo-double talaga yung melody sa piano, especially sa piano.
Yeah, well, I guess concert music might be different, pero I think Schubert was trying to get at the simplicity of a folk song na usually it's just a very simple texture. So yun.
Pero I think yung ano ba yun? Lindenbaum? Issue.
Lindenbaum, yeah.
Lindenbaum. I think siguro kaya nakakalusot din yan. Kasi di ba may figuration din yung melody na puro
well, I mean, yung first verse lang naman yung actually yung dinodouble niya yung melody. Pero yung mga analysis nila is that because it's he's trying to get at the folksy feel, like.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Anyway.
Pero kasi was it as in kung paano yung kinanta ganun din yung sa accompaniment, or may iba pang nangyayari din sa accompaniment aside from the doubling of the melody sa accompaniment?
Merong mga links. So da 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 di ra. Teka. Da di da 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 di ra. Da da di da da da. Yun, may mga connection lang.
Okay. Kasi ang naalala ko dun is yung
yun yung introduction niya. Yeah. Anyway, sorry to I just had to say it.
Para masagot din ang tanong kung bakit dinodouble nga ang melody.
Kailangan may rason, kumbaga. Yeah, exactly.
Yung sa kundiman talaga ang hindi ko ma-reconcile.
Mukha nga ang practical yung rason just like yung kay Joao. Kasi mas madali siya kantahin. Baka maraming amateur singers yung kumakanta ng kundiman, and so, that was the normal practice.
Okay.
Who knows?
So, ibig sabihin, ang gagaling talaga ng mga amateur singers sa Europe? Kasi hindi double ang
Actually, yes. Yes. As a matter of fact, the word amateur is because they love doing it. Ito yung mga rich na mga magagaling na mga technique nila actually kasi wala silang ginawa kundi mag-practice. Especially the women of Europe. Yeah. So they were pretty good at it. They were not composers, but they were players. They would play really advanced.
So wala tayong ganyan sa Pilipinas at the turn of the century.
Maybe not. I don't know.
We can only speculate.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Can I react? Hello, sir. This is Renz.
Sige, go ahead.
Yes.
I just wanted to share siguro one of the lectures of Dr. Felipe De Leon Jr. I think I don't know if I don't know if this is something significant, but what I have picked up in one of the lectures of Professor De Leon is that yung mga kundiman kasi it's like they wanted to showcase the Filipino participatory consciousness, something like that. So yung makaka-relate ang lahat and then everybody can participate. So I think simplifying the accompaniment on the piano. I don't know if how significant is that. We're just sharing.
It is. The idea of being in a community, singing together, you definitely have to play the melody for that. Dinodouble pa nga, ginagawa pa nga ano yan octave yan eh. Yeah. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Especially kung nationalistic yung approach ng ng kundiman or something. Oo.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Wow, thanks for that, Renz. That's really insightful.
Yan.
Thank you, sir.
Yan. Para at least na nasasagot na yung may sagot na tayo somehow kung bakit dinodoble ni Abelardo at ni Santiago ang melody.
No, but I love it, Sir Jed, that every time there is a doubling that you always ask why. Kasi it reminds me of Nadia Boulanger that, why is this note there? So there is always a reason for every note. Thanks.
Yan. The easiest kasi to do is to double something. But it's the hardest to explain. Ganon. It's the hardest to explain na bakit mo dodoblehin yan. Ano ang significance niyan na kung bakit siya idodouble. Ganon. Wala naman akong violent reaction. Violent! Wala naman akong violent reaction kung talagang idodouble mo yan. Yung melody mo with dun sa piano part. It just needs a lot of convincing na makita ng ibang performers na okay, kaya pala dinoble siya. Ganon. Pero ang clincher nga dyan is hindi nga namin makita kung bakit ganun ang doubling ni Abelardo at ni Santiago. So that's why ako mismo when I had my fair share of writing a kundiman, hindi talaga ako nag-doubling. Na lang. Nag-stay safe na lang ako. Sabi ko, double pa ako. Huwag na. Ganon. Okay? Maybe that's just one aspect lang na you might want to consider. Okay? Kasi ako naman din perfect pitch nga ako pero hindi mo ako pwedeng patugtugin at sabay. Hindi ko magawa niyan. Kasi ang ending, hindi ko susundin yung accompaniment.
Sir, medyo nag-choppy po. I did not catch po the last line. Sir, sorry.
Okay.
Okay po, sir.
Ako, kahit perfect pitch ako, I find it difficult to play the accompaniment and sing the melodic line at the same time. Kasi ang ending sa akin is my right hand plays the melodic line and I sing the melodic line.
Sir, pwede po magbatiin kahit kaunti lang po, sir. Okay. Sir, I think that is also the same po na nangyayari sa akin. That is why, for example, sir, no, sa may church setting lang po, let's give the example, yung Gloria, kasi may tutugtog na trumpet sa part ng Gloria, sir, ito natutug yan ng aking right hand. So ang tendency ko, sir, if I am nag-help ako singing, hindi ako makasing ng bass part pababa kasi ang tendency ko, I am following the right hand na melody ng trumpet. So I end up not singing at all na lang or helping kasi naririnig ko bass ka pero yung may tendency ka na yung trumpet na part pala yung kinakanta mo. So I think though parang that answers lang sir nga bakit naglagay lang ako dito sir ng guide, especially ang sa word bala sir sa may measure 9 sa kita ay sa me naka-major ma-major 7 ako sir baka hindi ko bala ma-hit especially for ako ang for example if I will try to sing it baka hindi ko ma-hit yung major 7 so muna naglagay lang ako ng for guide lang po.
Kaya I remember na pag yung advanced solfeggio namin tapos play and sing na, Diyos ko, kung pwede lang tumakas, tatakas talaga ako. Kasi afraid talaga. Yung tipong ganito, iba ang melody, iba ang right hand, iba ang left hand. Good luck! Good luck to me. Yun. Anyway, so yun. Anong voice range ba ito?
Actually, sir, ang sanggin patry ko siya, nag-Ilonggo ako. Actually, sir, nang pinatry ko po siyang pakantahin sa aking friend na tenor, yung key of F major medyo mababa sa kanya. So kasi pang tenor, sir. So I suggest, sir, baka kung pwede is i-move ko siya sa E minor instead of D minor, sir. Kasi para medyo mababa siya, sir, for boy na range. Kasi muna, sir. Okay, kung okay lang po, sir.
But if your intention is for lower voice, for the low voice, okay lang naman din. Actually, what I wrote here is what is the range? It may be too low for high voice. Yun lang. Pero if your intention is, hindi, gusto ko sana mababa, ganyan, di we keep it. Ganon. So, you decide na lang kung ano ba talaga. Kung pang high voice ba ito o pang low voice. Kasi kung low voice, pasok ito. Swak na swak ito sa low voice. Okay? Matutuwa ang bass at alto nito. Kasi the highest note, well, dito lang siya siguro tataas. Hear me, oh. Yung F. Okay? Now, ano pa? Transitions. Okay. Yan nagbabangga So either you change the B natural or the B flat. C sharp. Ayaw mag C sharp. Sintonado. Di na ta magbulagay. Okay? Ano ba ito? What is written here? Danza ito, di ba?
Opo, sir. Opo. Yung
hindi siya specifically na danza.
Opo, pero yung rhythmic pattern po ng kanyang left hand is nakapam-pam-pam. So I am not that is why, sir, I ask nag-ask po ako ng question na baka if ever na ilagay ko is hiligay non-romance, baka magbigay siya ng specific na dapat may ara siya sa specific na time signature or specific na ano. Kasi wala naman. So, ang mamala na sir yung clear ko po. Tapos, I am just scared baka if naka 4/4 siya sir at saka yung rhythmic pattern niya lang po parang paano ko masabi naman baka
Akala mo dansa pero actually hindi.
parang ganun po sir yung dating niya po.
Okay lang naman. Buti na lang hindi mo nilagay na dansa. Kasi kung nilagay mong dansa, bakit ganyan yan?
Opo, sir. That is why ang ginlagay ko sa subtitle niya is hiligay non-romance. Kaso doon ako na-question, baka yung romance may specific din na category kung paano siya So at least now po I know na wala naman pala po. So I think it is safe po.
It can mean anything. It can have any rhythmic pattern. Although, I would challenge you instead na instead na gamitin mo yung think of another accompaniment pattern na not necessarily danza related or harana related, but more on what the text is saying.
Apa.
Kasi pwede naman na you start na dito sa taas. Pila ka ba na ang nag-agi? Pila ka... Parang I'm just basing it from the first few phrases na yung passage of time.
Opo.
Sa passage of time. Something ganon.
Sir, if may I. So, yung sa high register, yun na tan do parang yung dating niya parang do yung nag-ano bala? Do parang may hinihintay, parang ganon? O kung parang do nag-emote siya na parang kailan kaya? Do parang ganon bala na mga
Yes.
parangan?
Yes. It's just a suggestion lang. There are many ways to execute passage of time. Okay? Depende sa register, how high, how middle, how low. Depende sa distance. Kasi pwede rin meron ibang passage of time na ganito lang siya kasimple. Ganyan lang siya. Paulit-ulit. Ganyan lang. Simple-simple lang. And then at certain points, yun. Okay? This has a lot of accompaniment possibilities depending on what you want to project based on the text. Yan. Okay lang na nandyan muna yung chord progression mo that can serve as a guide for you. But eventually, pag natapos mo na yan, buburahin mo yung chords, ha?
Opo, i-take note ko po, remove chords.
Remove the
Kasi
chord.
actually, sir, actually, mas comfortable kasi po ako sa chord progression niya po. Pero okay lang naman po kasi I think parang easy lang naman po yung kanyang pattern.
Yeah. And then, pansinin mo rin yung chord progression mo. Most of them are in root position.
Opo.
Okay? Try to explore inversions and different positions. Like, pwede ito, kunwari, mas may move, mas fluid siya. Okay? Yan. Ang worry ko lang is just yung high F na nilagay mo dito for ano. Ay, nag-repeat ka pa.
Opo.
You repeated. You repeated.
Ang if I may, sir, yung sa part na dyan, ang parang may hold back na guys, salig lang. So pabang babalik siya na doon. Tapos dito niya ako ihahatid sa ang last part na ay pirmi ko ginahuti.
Try exploring the possibility na pagdating sa repeat, the piano can do the melody and then mag-counterpoint ang voice somehow.
So repeat. Piano.
Start pa rin yung sa, ano ba yung words nun?
Sa
Salig lang. Salig lang. Something. I'm just, improvising.
repeat piano with counterpoint.
Okay? And then, siguro at a certain point lang na babalik yung, siguro dito na sa pirmic ko, babalik na talaga yung melody sa voice.
Opo.
Lang yung first half lang na piano lang muna. Para lang din may contrast ka. You have that contrast.
Okay po.
Di ko ginahutik sa ako.
Sir, kalalagyan, i-indicate ko ba dyan na instead of nag-slur lang, i-portamento siya na sa akon o what or okay na yan yung slur o kung i-portamento siya pero octave yung kanyang ano po.
If you think na vital yun, you mark it.
Okay po.
Yan. Kasi like ako, I'm particular din sa sa choral pieces ko. May mga ibang conductors and choirs na tinatanong na bakit ang dami kong mga scoops, ganyan, na mga paakyat or mga slides going down. They were asking na kung mali lang ba yun or were those markings deliberate? Sabi ko, gusto ko deliberate. Gusto ko yung magsa-slide talaga na Ngayon. Sabi ko, iba lang siguro ang taste pero but that's the color that I want. And hindi lang siguro napapansin ng iba kasi very seldom lang naglalagay ng mga markings deliberately. So, pero pag-aralan mo din. Pag-aralan mo din na will it matter if I don't put those markings? For this particular work, for this particular piece, will it matter na slur na lang ilagay ko instead of a portamento or instead of a slide?
Apo.
Ganon.
I just want to share, sir, because yung friend ko, sir, na nag-try na nag-sing sa ganyan, tapos ang suggestion na lagyan daw ng ganyan, tapos either slur or portamento. Sa gintry namin sa Sibelius, nalagay na word ng portamento. Ang basa ng Sibelius, ang pangit ng basa ng Sibelius, sir. Parang so that's why...
Sibelius,
Sir, sorry, medyo nawala po kayo, sir, ng kaunti, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Ako nga, lumalabas dito na unstable na naman ang internet ko. Yung sa Sibelius, ano lang yan, just for notation guide lang. Wag niyong isipin na Huwag nyo nang isipin yan. Basta markings lang yan. But we have to remember that there are performance practices for singing arias and singing art songs. Arias, whether it's their opera or oratorio arias or even cantata arias. May iba-ibang practices yan. Okay? May mga slides na permitted sa arias pero hindi